Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. Do you want to upgrade the seats in your BMW G80 so that's the M2, M3, or M4 in about 30 seconds? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so it's going to take longer to explain how to do this than it actually is the project itself. So on my previous M2C, I had the fantastic carbon fiber seat back covers from Kies Motorsports. So now with my new G87, I wanted to do the same. If you wanted to upgrade your seat backs, you wanted to add a little bit of carbon fiber without the, like $1,400 a piece BMW OEM carbon fiber seat backs, that's insane, right? This will take about 30 seconds to do the install, and I'm just going to show you really quickly. But this is a great way to update and upgrade the look of your car if you didn't get the carbon fiber buckets. So let's take a look and let's get this done. All right, y'all, like I said, this is going to take longer to explain than actually to do. So this is a shell that goes right over the top of this head section here on your seats, as you can tell how they fit in. And I really like the way this looks. So all you're going to do is just go in and just peel off all of the backing here on this automotive 3M tape. And now this is enough tape to hold about a 100-pound part. So this is going to stick on without any problem at all. So just walk your way around, pull off all of the backing on all the tape and adhere it into place. I'm going to pull the backing off. Now, one other thing, if you have a little bit of gap in the tape, like it's gapping away from the frame, so I put a little slit right there so it would stick down better, little slit right there, and you can see it's gapping there just a little bit. So make sure that it sticks down really well, because you want to make sure that it sticks down flush on your seats. Okay, so let me pull this and then we're going to stick it on. It really is that simple. All right, so once you have the backing off, just take it very carefully. Now, if your seat's dirty, make sure to clean it beforehand. Mine are just fine. So go ahead and just take it and fit it over that piece. Make sure that it flushes down well on all of the edges before you really get on it, okay? It really is that simple, guys. Now, I'm gonna spend a few minutes just making sure that all the pieces are stuck down really well, but I have no doubt about it. And like I said, this is enough 3M adhesive to hold on about a 100-pound piece. So I'm gonna get that all nice in place. I'm gonna do the other side and we're done. All right, y'all, like I said, this is a really easy project. It takes seconds to explain and seconds to do. I really appreciate Kies Motorsports. They make a fantastic product. I love having their gear in my car, and you should too. Please click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I would really appreciate it, and help you get notifications for all my upcoming projects, including upcoming events, new model reviews, new DIYs, you name it. It's going to be fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next project.